Alright, so we have the Zebronics HT205 trimmer. It's 9-in-1, corded and cordless, type C, washable blades. Oops. Yep, it comes with 6 guided combs. This is the one. So the MRP says it's $2,999. I got it for $8.99 on Amazon. I'll drop the link in the description below. So let's see how it looks. So let's open and see how it looks. So this is the packaging. I'll open it here. The reason I'm using one hand is I am recording with the other one. Looks good. So let's open the box. And we have the trimmer here. Looks good. The build quality is pretty satisfying. It exactly looks like the one that I previously used, which was a Philips. The reason I bought this is I actually lost it, so I didn't want to spend more on the Philips one. Yep, there is a light. You have the branding here, you have the model number here, and it feels pretty premium. So we'll just keep it aside. And we have the power cable. It's a type C to USB, so it's good. You can use a power bank or anything. And we have a small oil dropper. I think it's for the motor. Pretty good inclusion. And wow, there seems to be a small carry pouch. It's a velvet one. It looks pretty good. And moving on, we have the, I think it's the user manual. You can scan it for the user manual. And we have the attachment. The attachment looks good. They feel of very premium ABS plastic. They look good. So 1, 2. Right, so this one is the precision trimmer that we get. This one is the 9mm for the hair. So 3, 6, the precision trimmer, the 9mm. What is this? Okay, this one is the 12mm. Okay, this one is the nose trimmer, the 1mm, and the 2mm. So consisting of the kit. So inside the box we have a carry pouch, the trimmer itself, which is pretty decent. I think you can hear the noise. It's good. The USB cable, the 1mm, 2mm, 3mm, 6mm, 9mm, and 12mm. Oops, I'm sorry. The 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, and 12mm. The precision trimmer looks like this, and the nose trimmer, and the oil can. So in case if you have to oil up the motor. So yeah, that's pretty much it. It's a good deal. I got it for around 800 on Amazon. So yeah, thank you so much for watching this unboxing.